Alright. Check it out. Fitment level A1. My boy got the new BBS wheels on here. You know what size these are?
218s, the 225s on them.
They do not look like 18s. My nigga, this was so long ago and he has not gotten this off.
For almost a year.
I'm talking shit about your car right now.
What's wrong with it?
The Plasti Dip overspray on these wheels. Look at that. Look at that. Frank. It's out here on some parking lot. Gonna attempt some skids. It's a nice day. Might hear some V8s in the background. There's a racetrack right over there. They're doing some demolition derby shiznit. Camera game, camera game, camera game, camera game.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, look at you.
I know.
We got the shoe game over here. Oh boy.
I'm able to get that off. I'm gonna be pissed if I can't.
Wouldn't that be a way to get caught?
No.
My hand's almost stripped, ain't got it stuck. Also, Nike would be a great sponsor. They're out here helping out in the car world.
Yeah. Ooh. My phone like shifted. I thought it almost fell off. Whoa, it's hot as fuck.
Yeah, because he just
Sid?
did all that friction, isn't it?
See the... Yeah, she's really hot.
Yeah, it is
What else
pretty
is
hot. Oh my gosh.
Come on, Nike for the win.
Dang, Stu's black. It's black as fuck.
You about the story? He has had overheating problems before, so I gotta make sure he keeps the temps good. My man is not savoring these tires at all. Full send. Gotta do better than that. Oh, the e-brake. Oh, shit. You killed it. You killed that. Oh, whoa, 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 Yo! Stop. Yeah, you blew a chunk and I got so worried that it wasn't the tire. Yeah, and you hit that and I got so scared, dude. I got so scared. Cause you're beating the fuck out of these, beating, like they're coming off the beat. Trevor, come here. Is this supposed to be this low? Oh, look, that's wrapped around. And look at how low this is. That's supposed to be that low?
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, is that good being all wrapped around like that?
Probably not.
I'll check this side. Got worried for a second. Yeah, it's not wrapped around on this side. The tires still have a slight bit of life left.
I think we'll call it.
Go ahead and stop.
Yeah, fucking shit wrapped around. That's it. It's gonna be a bitch to get out. Ask them if they're okay with this.
Just leave it over there, huh?
Ask them if they're okay with this.
Y'all okay?
Y'all good with this?
Are we scaring you? No? Okay. So,
Alright, let me just rip a fat one.
a fat one? Alright, hold up. You're getting reckless. As of now, yeah, them tires are hot, fam. They are hot.
I don't think that's wire. That looks like a piece of a tire.
Wrapped around there.
So as you can see, there's rubber wrapped around right there. His sway bar up, wires are showing. Yeah, bro, you peeled them. You peeled them.
That was worth it. That was worth the $400 we spent for this car.
Yeah. All right, that is not a cop. That's a Camry. He can get gapped. It's cool.
Oh, look at the dog.
I got German Shepherd.
Oh,
German Shepherd.
it's so skinny.
You know what else is skinny?
Yeah, I gotta drive back to the shoes.
I forgot about that part. 6-speed horns. He is sponsored by 6-speed. Headlight tint. A1 to day one. Sticker boost, also another sponsor. Have you said anything about your sponsors? Has this been here? That must have been when you hit that dirt pile.
No, that's the gas. Leaked out.
Alrighty, there goes your paint. Tanner was not skilled enough to get the shoe under there because his car is about that low life. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look how low he is. Because Mustang. Check his temps for him. Oh, check engine light, tire warnings. Oh yeah, dude. Drift life, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell him what's up. Pull up, you gotta keep going. Keep going. Perfect.
That's not really.
It's good enough. I think it's enough. All you need is the jack under it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we already went through one drift spare. It's over there.
That was a drift spare for the truck.
Oh yeah, we only have one. There's a park ranger pulling up here. Trevor, looks like we're in some deep shit, isn't it? Yeah, but we're changing tires. Right here, changing tires. As you can see, he drives a Mustang. And as you can see, they're gonna keep driving past because they're a bunch of pussies. Oh, look at that. He was rubbing.
Try it right here.
Oh, I'm zoomed in hella. Yeah, my man was rubbing.
Oh.
Oh, there's
Robin, where?
How's that full lock?
Yeah, I know.
Show the stank face.
Alright. Does she need new tires?
I don't know, maybe.
Nah.
Let's go look at the other one. Look at the other one. The other one's.
Look at this. Thick, meaty. Now my hand's dirty.
These are a working man's hands.
Out here still putting that. I just put this one back on because I'm a legend. Look at that, boom, gang. Raceland. If you would like to send out my man some more coilovers, springs, struts. Also, I thought that's stupid close to my face. On the E46 that y'all barely see, I got Racelands sitting at the house. I'm waiting to put them on. I gotta get diff bolts first.
I barely see it. It's been in every video.
Listen, I
After
don't.
this,
It's not the point, okay? I'm saying my car's not cool right now, but
it's magnetic.
that's dope. It's kind of pointless, but that's dope. But yeah, as you can see, he's shredded.
I've never seen anyone have this problem.
I have.
Perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect as fuck.
Dude, it matches your shirt. Oh, you're a god.
There we go. It's not gonna take as long as I thought it would.
Cause you're a genius. Yeah, but see that? Sponsor? Maybe? No? Okay.
Alright guys, so that's the closing of this video.
Probably not. We'll probably record some
I'll
more.
probably do it on my phone.
Exactly, because we're just hot boy like that. My man's putting that wheel back on, but if you look closely, you can see Camber
I'm trying to pop it.
Camber Gang.
Into this world we're thrown, like a dog without a bone, an actor out on loan, riders on the storm.
And I got all the drugs in the world that you need. We get high to pass time, but bitch, I ain't no fiend. I got money on my mind, I be stacking my green. Shawty say she like my style, I be dripping with ease.